Hi guys, welcome to Flavian Hub. Today we'll be setting up. I will be showing you how to set up a sound card, F998 sound card that is. So let us do that. So in the box, when you buy the sound card, you have all these. So if you haven't checked my previous video unboxing, you'll see. So you will have all these cables. Then the sound card itself accepts a condenser microphone. So you will need a condenser microphone. This is the card. So what you need to do first, connect your sound card with your condenser mic. So as you can see, we have a port here for condenser microphone. So we'll be using this one, BM800, this one. So let us connect. So connect your here. So connect it here. Then connect your microphone like that. Then what you need again, you need you can use either a headset or you can use earphones. Mine I will use earphone. You can use this one, but I have another one so that you can hear what you sound like, or when you are speaking you can hear this other person, or you can hear yourself when you are speaking. So I'll use this one. So you connect on the sound card. We have a port for earphone, as you can see, and we have a headset. So if you have a headset, connect it here. If you have a earphone, you can connect it here. So let me connect them there. Then if you are recording, you will be using a background music. We have a port here called a company. As you can see, we have a company here. So you can connect the device which you will be using for background music, or you can use a Bluetooth. This sound card has Bluetooth, so you can connect with your Bluetooth. So and even as you can see, we have cable. These cables, all of these cables comes with the sound card. The aux cable, they are three aux cable, so you can connect with them. You can either use this one aux, this one you connect where it is said. You can see we have a place where it is says a company, so you can connect it there and connect. Let's say I will be using my phone as a background music, so you can use like that, or you can use if the gadget you have, like mine is a phone, so the phone uses it has Bluetooth, so I can connect using Bluetooth. So let us power it on. So you just hold the power on. Let me turn it like this. Just hold, press and hold, it will turn on. Then you come to your Bluetooth on your phone. If you have a phone, you can see, just open it. Then after opening it, make sure this one is blinking, this for Bluetooth. So make sure this one for Bluetooth, it's blinking like this. So as you can see, we have F998 here. So select it and pair. So as you can see, it has paired. So let me put it here. So after doing that, so you have to connect for what you will be recording with. If it is a video and you want the sound to come from the sound card, you need to connect your cable to what you're recording with. If it's a camera or if it's a phone, so you will connect using this. As you can see, if it's a phone, we have 3 ports here, or if it's a camera, so you connect using this one. Then if it's a PC, you connect using, as you can see, we have a port here. It said OTG/PC live. So if you want to call live, we have a PC, this port here. So you connect using that port with the USB-C. They support USB-C. So let me connect so that you can hear through using this sound card. So I'll connect it here. Then it comes with a lot of these cables, these aux for using. Now guys, how do I sound? I'm using the sound card F998. This is a test for sound card. Now I'm talking through this microphone, as you can see, BM800 microphone, a condenser microphone, and I am talking through this F99 sound card. So let me put background music so that you can hear the background music through this sound card. So let me play one of the music I have connected through Bluetooth. As you can hear, we have background music. You can adjust the volume using your phone, or if you are using a computer for background music, you can adjust the volume direct from the computer or from the phone. As you can see, we can increase the volume. Now you can hear that I have increased the volume. And also you can reduce or increase using this knob here. You can reduce like this, or you can increase like this. So, and if you want to, as you can see, we have echo here. You can increase the echo, or you can reduce the echo here. And this is the knob for mic volume. So you can increase, as you can hear, I have sounding, my voice has been increased, or you can reduce the volume of the mic. Then we have some sound changer here. You can change your voice.
As you can hear, now I am speaking like a chipmunk. Now I have a chipmunk. When you press it
again, now I sound like someone who is asking for a rap song. I have kidnapped someone and or a poor dog, and I am asking for rap song from the owner. Then, if you want to cancel that voice changer, you press this lightning button
like that, and your voice is normal. And you can remember, we still have background music. It is still playing, so you can still reduce it. You can still reduce it like that. Then we have some special effect. These are all special effect. You can let's start with chair. We have a kiss. Then we have a gunshot. We have some applause. Then we have some slash. That is a slap. Yeah, writing it as slash. Then we have awkward. Guys,
I love it. You guys are so great.
Yes, we have PUBG. Then we have others. You can use them to do that. and then we have and then this knob controls the volume of this special effect. So like if I say like this one, as you can hear, I have reduced it. Then we have a record here. Then we have a bass. So I have the bass was here. So let me reduce it. As you can hear, my voice the bass has been reduced, and you can increase the bass like that. Then we have a treble, and we have a mid. So guys, I think this sound card is good for use, and even when you are going live, and considering the things accessories which come with this sound card, I think this sound card is very nice. You can use it, and it's very nice, and it's very cheap, and you can connect with multiple devices. Although we don't have a mic somewhere you can insert a second mic, but we have a cable which splits your mic. You can if you can find that cable, you can use it so that you can use with a second person. And it has a lot of features which you can use. So I think it's very nice, guys, for using, and it's very cheap, guys. The only downside of this sound card is that it only supports condenser microphone. You cannot add another mic, different mic, only condenser microphone. But it's nice sound card to use. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like the video if you have joined. And let me know in the comments if you can buy this sound card. And after for that, see you on my next video.